Last spring, my dad flared up his low back for about 2 months. A lot of it was because he decided that he was going to shovel a whole bunch of rock throughout his whole yard. So he got a delivery guy, drop off a couple tons, and he did it all himself. I told him I'd come over and help him in the afternoon, but he needed it done now. He got it done, he got it spread out, and then he spent the next 2 months suffering. And a lot of that played out because he didn't recognize how much core strength he has, how intensive that exercise and activity is, and how he doesn't have that strength and endurance in that plane of movement. So he wanted to get some exercise and thought it'd be a great idea. In retrospect and realistically, he did it, he got through the activity, but then he spent the next 2 months in rehab trying to pay for those mistakes. And we all need to recognize that of when we don't have the strength, when we don't have the endurance, or if this activity is going to challenge our weak spot, maybe we should do it over several days, or maybe we should ask for a little bit of help, or better yet, just don't do it, so you don't end up in rehab for weeks at a time.